guys, welcome back to my channel. It's currently not my channel, but I'm still trying to build it. So today we're going to do a get ready with me. Let's begin. I already did my lips, by the way, so don't think these are natural. So let's get started. Next up, I have these two palettes. This is a very old one and this is something that I recently got. It's very cheap, that's why I got it. So I don't know what look I'm going to do, but I'm going to do like a Desi Baddie glam kind of a makeup look. Starting with this yellow shade here. This one probably, yeah, this is good. And I'm going to go in my inner corners. Oh my god, it's so pigmented, I love it. And then just continue doing that. Also, I did my concealer. I forgot to mention that because I was shooting a reel and I had to do the base part of it. So I've done that. I don't know if you all can see anything in this sort of lighting. I'm not sure. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I love this color. Also, I have to quickly get done with my makeup before the sun goes. So I'm going to be cutting a lot of clips. I don't even have a mirror here, you know, so it's like multitasking. I don't know what am I doing, guys. Then I'm going to pick this, which orange should I take? It's an orange. I think I'll go with the brighter one. Ooh, the pigment. Am I already talking like an influencer? Please tell me I am. I should be featured. You know what? I believe that. I'm manifesting that. I feel like once I get famous, people might start roasting me for this accent that I have. Growing up, I always had this weird, not even weird, I mean most people in Delhi speak like this. So it's not my fault. And most of my friends that I had, they also had this accent. But when I came for my college to another state and you know people weren't familiar with such an accent, they were like, oh my god, what is she on? I mean, it's not that bad, is it? People think I have this, like I have this habit of, you know, exaggerating, extending and singing each word, but it's just so much fun. And I don't do it intentionally, I promise. I think I might be doing it a lot for this video compared to, you know, probably any other video. Okay, I don't know how it looks. I'm blindly doing it. Then I'm gonna go ahead with, this is my favorite palette. My mom gifted this to me and I've used it my entire college life and I swear by it. Next up, should I probably decrease the brightness so that you all can see my face better? I don't know, I'm just overthinking. I'm taking this deep maroonish shade. And I'm gonna go ahead, fill it in like so towards my outer corner. I really don't know if you all can see the makeup look in the sunlight or not, but I'm still gonna continue doing my makeup like so. Also, I think I should have put like a ton of sunscreen. I don't know why I didn't. Let me go quickly check in the mirror. This looks pretty dope. I'm gonna go ahead with some glitter because I love it. Oopsies. Is that a lot? One day I can't go without glitter. I just love it so much. So I'm not sure if I can. I was going to start with the story time, but I can't say it on cam because I don't know who will be watching all of this in future. I think so much about the future now, it's crazy. Oh my god, this looks magical. I don't know who invented glitter, but they should definitely win an Oscar. I used to say the same about ice cream, but I stopped having ice cream because 2026 is going to be all about having a crazy body and you know all that. I don't know how much I applied, guys. I think it's probably a, oh my god, look what I did. What does panic make you do? Oh my god, please don't break! I'm so sorry. I'm gonna probably fix it later on. Never mind. I did my eyes. I know I should have probably filmed it on camera, but I am running very late. So I'm gonna grab some eyeshadow, like the orange eyeshadow that I was using, and I'm going to put it, like, you know, the place after, like below I put my, I don't know, what am I saying? Oh my god. I'm going to put it below my waterline, if that's a thing, I'm not sure. On both the sides. So I've applied Kajal, eyeliner and mascara, and I've successfully fucked up my eyeliner. I don't know, people have this thing when they're running late, everything falls in seamlessly, like that beige, that eyeshadow, everything. But for me, it really depends. I wouldn't say that that's not the case. Once I did such a perfect makeup look, I was shocked that I could work so crazy in pressure. Do you see the difference? I really don't know what am I gonna do. I'm gonna probably mix some yellow as well. I hope I don't look crazy because I can't see. Let me quickly get other products. I forgot that I did not even switch on the record button. I'm gonna do my blush really quickly. So I use a lipstick. I don't know if you guys have seen my reels, but I don't feel embarrassed or scared using a lipstick all over my face because I've been doing it since ages, and it honestly works for me. Okay, I'm going to really stop with the accent. I feel it might get annoying at this point. I'm just so pressurized because I need to film this reel. I know, first world problems, Anjali, but seriously, I need to film this reel, and it's a task for me to not, it's a challenge for me to miss the sun every single time. I don't know. So recently, I've never really tried this. It's a tint from Sugar, but I'm gonna put it and see how it feels and looks on my skin. Oh god, it's so cool. I mean, I really have no clue because the sun is blinding my eyes and I can't see how pigmented or not my cheeks look. So guys, if you all can see, please don't come at me. Wow, I just love such a rosy, flushed kind of a look. I'm not gonna stop right there. If you thought I was, you are very wrong. Okay. So we have already had like 3 quotes of blush. It is so good. I love a rosy, flushed cheek, peachy, crazy look. I really have no clue what I just said. Look at that pigment. Now I'm gonna go with a powder blush. I'm not crazy to go ahead with the liquid blush, but I'm crazy to put blush again. See, what powder blush does is that it, you know, sets your face really good. So you don't have to go again, apply like 1,000 layers. For me personally, this works. Perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead with some contour. This is probably expired as well. I got the big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it into my skin. I'm also gonna take up a little bit here on my nose. I am so late. I feel like this is going to be the only video that I make. That is not the case. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna quickly do my lips. Gosh, I cannot do a very... I have to stay shut. I'm gonna go ahead with some lipstick. Oh wow. And I'm gonna go with this gloss that I recently got. It's very juicy. I mean, nobody faces this issue, but I keep running out of storage. Saying that, the video cut because I have no storage. So this is gonna be the finished glam. I'm gonna go ahead, put some bindi jhumkas and get back to you with the final look. I'll be wearing this necklace, and for earrings, should I go with this? I love this. I think I'll go with this one. Wow, that was quick. So I just wore this spaghetti and the video got cut again. So I got this chunni because I don't have a lot of ethnic stuff, but I think it's good. Let me wear some bangles as well. I look crazy. I wish I was really going out somewhere, but